for Zoe. Zoe! Zoe!
Hey, Dad.
I have a gift for you.
Really?
Yes.
Yay!
What's that? You open the gift.
Okay.
Open the gift. What's that?
A new wallet.
New wallet. Look at your new wallet. You like it?
I like it, but I'll open this for me.
You open this.
I cannot open because I'm opening the gift only.
Dito mo na ilalagay ang pera mong pambaon sa school. Okay?
Yeah? What is that's not a wallet?
That's a wallet. Yes.
That's not a wallet. That's a first wallet money.
Yes.
What does money?
Yes, I give you money.
What did you put there? There, Daddy. What did you put here, Daddy?
Your lucky coin. That's your lucky coin.
But why?
Ilagay mo na dyan para may pera ka.
Yay.
Okay?
Yay.
So, meron ka ng wallet.
Yeah.
Okay, tago mo yung wallet mo ha. Diyan mo ilalagay ang baon mo sa school.
I'll
Okay.
put it there.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye. Love you.
Love you too.